Hi guys, JB from Anchor Vans here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth of a Renault Trafic Sport. Start by turning the ignition on. On comes your radio. Turn it on. You're then presented with your phone. Click the phone. Auto connection is in progress. Allow some few seconds. So I don't think the auto connect worked, so we're going to do it manually. So we're just going to go to search for Bluetooth device. Now get your Bluetooth options open on your settings of your phone. Right, so as this is touch screen, we can just tap the box, confirming that's my phone. And then all you need to do is get the key, which is quadruple 0. Pair that. Don't allow the contacts, device connected, okay. What's also cool about this one is it gives you the breakdown of your battery and your signal without having to go and find that in the settings. A lot of the other vans, in fact, the Ford Transit for example, you have to go into a setting to find out how your signal strength is, or into the setting to find your battery percentage on some of them. So with this, it's nice to have it kind of all laid out, almost like you would see it on a phone. So now we're connected, we can just simply go back to the main menu, choose the media setting, and start playing the music that we want. Now to remove it, all you need to do is go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and then you can go to the Bluetooth list, and then just choose the options, and you can go to my phone and delete that. Brilliant! So that's the device is cleared, and we're good to go. That's how you connect it to the Bluetooth.